Hello children, let's come back to our maths class. Before we start with the exercise sums, let us have a small recap of what we have done in the previous class. Okay, so in the previous class, we have studied about addition of whole numbers. Is there no children? Yes, okay. So listen carefully. Now let us recall that some problems in the addition of whole numbers. Okay, so for example 7 plus 2. Okay, 7 plus 2. So add the whole numbers using number line. Add the whole numbers using number line. So first of all you draw the line. Yes or no? Yes. So you start from 0. Why? The whole numbers start with 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. So that's why this is a add the whole numbers using number line. So you start from 0. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, etc. Okay. Now you see that the question 7 plus 2. Okay, 7 plus 2. So we will start at 7. Okay, where is 7? Here. So we will start at 7 and 2 steps ahead plus. Okay, so that's why 2 steps ahead. Okay, 2 step friend. So here 7. We will start at 7. Now plus 2. So that's why 1, 2. 2 steps. Okay, children? Okay, so your answer now we will reach at 9. Therefore, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So this is the addition of whole numbers. Yes or no? This is the yesterday class. Today we are going to study about subtraction of whole numbers. Okay, subtraction of whole numbers. Listen carefully. This is the addition sum. Okay, now you see the question 5 minus 2. Your question is 5 minus 2. Okay, now subtract the whole numbers using number line. Okay, so you draw a line. You start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, now you see the first number. First, that is the first whole number, that is 5. Okay, so we will start at 5. Okay, children? Yes. Now you see, your question is 5 minus 2. Okay, so that's why we will start at 5 and take how many steps back? 2 steps back. Okay, so here 5. So now you 2 step back. 5 minus 2 minus. So that's why 1, 2. 2 steps back. So this side you coming that so back side. Okay, so now we will read at 3. So therefore your answer 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, clear? Your question, addition question. Add means you move which side? It's the right hand side. Okay, friend. Suppose that is the subtraction sums means you move the steps backward. Okay, children. Now clear? Yes. Now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Write today's date and day and write the heading subtraction of whole numbers. Okay, take your classwork note, write today's date and day and write the heading subtraction of whole numbers. Subtraction of whole numbers. Okay, the first question is Subtract the following whole numbers using number line. Okay, first question is 7 minus 2. Subtraction of whole numbers. The first question, subtraction the following whole numbers using number line. In first question, that is first one, 7 minus 2. Okay children, now listen, stop writing. The using number line, so you draw a line. Okay, so now you draw the line, then after you mark the points. Okay, the whole numbers here is subtract the following whole numbers only, so that's why you start with 0. Okay, start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's going on, so up to 9 you write. Okay, now you see that your question 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So what is the first number? First whole number 7. Okay, so that's why you start at 7. Okay, so where is 7? Here, 7. Okay, now minus 2. Suppose plus 2 means move the steps ahead. Yes, friend. Yes or no? But here is minus. That's why you move the steps back. Okay, so two steps. 7 minus 2. We will start at 7. Now 2 steps back. Okay, so that is first step. Okay, and second step. Okay, you put that arrow mark back side. Okay, so now we will reach at 5. Yes or no? Yes. 7 இருக்கு, உன்னோடது -2 அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? பேக் சைடு மூவ் பண்ணணும். அதே இது ப்ளஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஃப்ரண்ட் ஃபார்வர்ட் மூவ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், நவ் திஸ் இஸ் அ மைனஸ், தட்ஸ் வை யூ மூவ் பேக். ஓகே, ஹவு மெனி ஸ்டெப்ஸ் பேக்? 2 ஸ்டெப்ஸ் பேக். ஸோ 1, 2. ஸோ நவ் வி வில் reach at 5. Yes or no? Yes. Therefore your answer 7 minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, now clear? Are you clear? Yes. Now you continue the classwork. Write the heading and write the question. Okay, continue it. Do not draw the line using your hand. Okay children, use the scale when drawing the line. Okay, yes, use the scale and pencil when drawing the line. Okay, yes. Subtraction of whole numbers. Yesterday class, that is the addition of whole numbers is finished. Now subtraction of whole numbers. Okay, the first question, subtract the following whole numbers using number line. The first one, 7 minus 2. Then after you draw the line and mark the points, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's going on. Okay, now we will start at 7. So you plot the point at 7. Here is your question is 7 minus 2. So that's why move 2 steps back. Okay, so now we will reach at 5. Okay, so therefore your answer is 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Okay children, now clear? Yes. Okay, now the second question. 11 minus 5. Okay, 11 minus 5. So add subtract the whole numbers using number line. Okay, so using number line, so we draw the line. Start from 0. Okay, mark the points. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it's going on. It's infinite numbers. Okay, now your question is 11 minus 5. So that's why we will start at 11. Okay, so where is 11? Here. So now we will start at 11 minus 5. So minus 5. So 5 steps back. Okay children, 5 steps back. So we will start at 11 and 5 steps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? The backward. Okay, backward direction. So you put the arrow key this side. So we will start at 11 minus 5. So that's why 5 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we will reach at 6. Therefore your answer 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Okay children, clear? Very easy. Yes or no? Yes. Now the third one. See the question, third one, 7 minus 7. Okay, 7 minus 7. So, subtract the whole numbers using the number line. So, you draw the line first, then after mark the points. Okay, so from 0, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, etc. Okay, now you see the question, 7 minus 7. So, we will start at 7. Okay, we will start at 7. So, where is 7? Here. Now, minus 7. So, 7 steps back. Okay, 7 steps back. Why? Minus 7. Suppose plus means 7 steps friend. Okay, children. Now, this is a minus 7. So, that's why the steps move by steps back. Okay. So, how many steps back? 7 steps. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will reach at 0. Yes or no? Yes. So therefore your answer 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay children, the arrow key is a backward direction. Why? You move the steps backward. Okay. So that's why now your answer 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Are you clear? I hope you understood. Yes or no? Okay. Now you continue the classwork. Continue the classwork. First question already finished. Now you start. Second question. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. Then draw the line. Use this. Use only scale and pencil. Okay. Don't use your hand. Do not draw the line using your hand, children. Use the scale and pencil when drawing the line. Okay. So do neatly. Do neatly. Again and again I am saying, do not draw the line using your hand. Use the scale and pencil when drawing the line. Okay. Are you writing? Write it fast. Okay, children, I hope you have written. Now, addition of whole numbers and subtraction of whole number is finished. Now, we will start multiplication of whole numbers. Okay, multiplication of whole numbers. Third one, multiplication of whole Okay, now listen carefully. Let us multiply 3 and 5. Okay, let us multiply 3 and 5. What is the answer? 3 5s are 15. Yes or no? But here, let us multiply 3 and 5 on the number line. Okay, on the number line. Therefore, 3 into 5. So, you draw the number line. So, first of all, you draw the line. Okay. Draw the line. Listen carefully, children. This is a multiplication of whole numbers. So listen carefully. Now whole numbers start with 0. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now you see 3 into 5. In addition and subtraction, first we will see first whole number. Yes or no? Here also same only. Now we will start from 0 and move 3 units. Okay. We will start from 0 and move 3 units at a time. Okay. We will do this 5 times. Okay, 3 5s are 3 is 5 times. Why? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why we will start from 0. We will start from 0 and move 3 units. How many times? 5 times. Okay. So move 3 units. 3 units. We will start from 0. Okay, children, listen carefully. We will start from 0 but move 3 units. How many times? 5 times. Okay. So 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. So first 3. Okay. Now how many times we will do? 5 times. Okay. So we will do this 5 times. Okay. So first time and again 3 units. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So second time 1, 2, 3. Okay. Third time 1, 2, 3. Fourth time 1, 2, 3. This is the last and fifth time. Last or fifth time. Okay, children? In the multiplication, in totally different from addition and subtraction. Okay. So listen carefully. 3 into 5. That is 3 5s are. Okay. So that's why using number line, we will start from 0. How many units move? 3. Okay, 3 steps 5 times. Okay, so we will start from 0 and move 3 units. This is a 1 unit. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. 0 to 1, 1 unit. 1 to 2, second unit. 2 to 3, third unit. So we will start from 0 and move 3 units at a time. Okay, how many times we will do? We will do this 5 times. Okay. So first one we will start now 0. From 0 first, that is move 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 3 units. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. Okay. Now your arrow, you are going, that's a forward only. So arrow mark. Now we will reach at 15. Yes or no? Yes. Therefore your answer 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Okay children, now clear? You see the question? Your question is 3 into 5. Okay. Don't write anything. Stop writing. Okay. Now you listen. 3 into 5. So using number line to find the answer using number line. So first of all you draw the line and after mark the points from 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Okay. Now you start. Your question is 3 into 5. So that's why this is multiplication. Okay. So we will start from at 0. Okay. Now next step what? 3 steps. That is 3 units. 3 units move. Okay. Move 3 units at a time. We will do this 5 times. Okay. So 0 to 3. This is a first time. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay children. Are you clear? Yes. Then one more sum. Second question, 4 into 2. 4 twos are 8. Already we know. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. But here is using number line. Okay? Using number line. So, you draw the line. Start from 0. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Multiplication, okay? So that's why move 4 units. How many times? 2 times. Here move 3 units. Move 3 units 5 times. Okay? Here move 4 units 2 times. Okay children? Okay? Now we will start from 0. So how many units want to move? 4 units. Okay? So that's why this is 0 to 1 unit. Second, third, fourth. So 4 unit. How many times? 2 times. Okay. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. This is already one time. This finished. Now is the second time. Okay. So now we will reach at 8. So therefore your answer 4 twos are 8. Okay children. Are you clear now? Yes. Listen carefully. Multiplication of whole numbers. I will explain one more time. You see the question 3 into 5. Okay. 3 into 5. You to find the value of using number line. Okay. So you draw the line and mark the points from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. Now you see the question 3 into 5. That is 3 5s are. Okay. So now we will start from at 0. How many units move? 3 units move and 5 times. 3 units வச்சு மூவ் பண்ணி எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் நம்ம மூவ் பண்ணணும்? 5 times. அப்போ 0 ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கணும். ஓகே? Listen children, 0 ல இருந்து how many units? 3 units. So 0 க்கும் 1 க்கு இடையில இருக்குறது தான் 1 unit. This is a second, third. So அப்ப 3 units how many times want to move? 5 times. 3 units 5 times move பண்ணணும். Okay children? So that's why your answer is 3 5s are 15. We will reach at 15. So your answer is 15. Okay. Now you see the second question. 4 twos are. Okay. So 4 twos are. We will start from at 0. Now move 4 units. How many times? 2 times. Okay. Move 4 units 2 times. So 4 units mean 0 to 1 unit. This is a second unit. Third, fourth unit. So 4 units move 2 times. Okay, 2 times. So we will reach at 8. Therefore, your answer is 4 2s are 8. Okay, now? Okay, now you continue the classwork. Write down. Draw properly, children. Using your scale and pencil. Okay. Use the scale and pencil when drawing the line. Do not draw the line using your hand. Okay. Write fast. Write the heading multiplication of whole numbers, and the question is multiply the whole numbers using number line. In first one, 3 into 5. Now you draw the line and mark the points. Okay, now you find the answer. We will start from at 0. Okay, so move 3 units 5 times. That is the first question. So we will reach at 15. So therefore your answer is 3 5s are 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Then second question, 4 into 2. Draw the line and mark the points. And here your question is 4 into 2. So move 4 units 2 times. Okay. So we will start from 0. Okay. So now 4 units. How many times, sir? 2 times. We will do 2 times. Okay, children. Now clear? Do neatly. Okay, the next question. Listen, children, the third one is 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5. So using the number line. So you draw the number line. You start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Okay. Now you see 2 into 5. So 2 into 5. So we will start from 0. We will start from 0. And how many units to move? 2 units. Okay. So move 2 units. How many times? 5 times. Okay. So now we will start from 0. 0, move 2 units. Move 2 units 5 times. So 2 units means this is 0 to 1, 1 unit. 1 to 2 is a second unit. So 2 units. 1, 2, 2 units. Move 2 units. How many times? 5 times. So அப்ப இதே மாதிரியே 2 units நம்ம எத்தனை times move பண்ணணும்? 5 times. Okay. So next 2 units. 1, 2. So here up to 4. Okay children. Next 2 units. 1, 2. Next 2 units. 1, 2. Next 2 units. 1, 2. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Okay. So now we will reach at 10. Is there no? So therefore your answer 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Clear? The question is 2 into 5. You find the answer using number line. Okay. So that's why you draw the line and mark the points 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay children. Now we will start from 0. 2 units want to move and 5 times. Okay. So move 2 units. Okay. Units, 2 units means 0 to 1, 1 unit and 1 to 2 second unit. So total is 2 units. Okay. So move 2 units and how many times we will do? 5, that is 5 times. Okay. So we will do this 5 times. So your answer now finally we will reach at 10. Okay. So therefore your answer is 2 5s are 10. Okay children. Now one more sum. Fourth question. 6 into 2. 6 into 2. So now you draw the line. Start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So now you start 6 into 2. So that's why now we will start from 0, move 6 units 2 times. Okay children? We will start from 0. Okay. So next move 6 units 2 times. Move 6 units 2 times. So 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 units move. Okay. Move 6 units. How many times? 2 times. So again we will do same. Okay. So again 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again 6 units move. So this is a first time moving. This is a second time move. Now your final answer we will reach at 12. Therefore 6 into 2 is equal to, your answer is 12. Are you clear? Yes. So your answer is 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So எப்போவுமே மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன செய்யணும்? மூவ் பண்ணுறதை பார்க்கணும். அது how many times? So here this question, move 2 units 5 times. Here move 6 units 2 times. Okay. So unitsங்கிறது நம்மளுக்கு இதுக்கு ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட்டுக்கும் இடையில உள்ளதான் ஒரு யூனிட். ஓகே. So here is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So total how many units? 6 units move. So move 6 units. இதை நம்ம எத்தனை தடவை செய்யணும்? 2 times பண்ணணும். திருப்பியும் ஒரு 6 units move பண்ணு. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again one more time you move 6 units. So therefore your answer is 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Okay children, continue the class work. Continue. Already second 2 questions are finished in multiplication of whole numbers. Now you start third and fourth. Do carefully. Okay. Do you understand? I hope you understood. Yes or no? Yes. Use the scale and pencil when drawing your line, okay? Do properly. Write fast. Okay, children. Now that multiplication of whole number is finished. Now let us start division of whole numbers. Okay, division of whole numbers. The division of whole number also so easy. Okay. Divide the following whole numbers using number line. Okay. So your question. First question, 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. Okay, using the number line. So you draw the number line. Okay, you start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay, etc. Okay, now your number line, your question is 15 divided by 3. So you start the number line, okay. So draw the number line, draw the line and mark the points from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay, children. Now you see the question 15 divided by 3. In multiplication means, suppose your multiplication question 5 into 2, move 5 units 2 times. Yes or no? Yes or no? But we will start from 0. Yes, but here start from 15. Okay, start from 15. How many times? Move 3 units. Move 3 units and do this until you reach at 0. Okay, so nama multiplication oda ulta da division. அப்படிதானா? அடிஷன் என்ன பண்ணும்? அடிஷன் மூவ் பண்ணும்போது ஃப்ரண்ட்ல மூவ் பண்ணுவோம். அதே இது சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் போது பேக்ல மூவ் பண்ணி வருவோம். ஸோ அடிஷனோட இட்ஸ் ஆப்போசிட் ஒன்லி சப்ட்ராக்ஷன். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஹியர் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? 0ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு how many times, how many units, how many times, that is it. So 2 units and 5 times like doing. Yes or no? Here we will start from 15. Okay, 15 la start pananum. Okay, so if you start from 15, how many units want to move? 3 units. Okay, 3 units you move until you reach at 0. 0 varradhu vara nama move pananum. Etna units vachi? 3 units are, okay. So now we will start from 15, okay. Now you start. How many units? 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. So first 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 units, okay children. Again 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now again 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So final. Now we will reach at 0. Yes or no? Yes. Now we will count how many moves are going. Okay. How many moves are going? First one, second, third, fourth, fifth. So your answer 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Okay. So the answer, final answer is 5. Okay. Listen children, one more time I will explain. Divide the following whole numbers using number line. Okay. 15 divided by 3. Your question is 15 divided by 3. Now you draw the line and mark the points. Okay. So draw the line and mark the points from 0 to etc. Okay. Now see the question. 15 divided by 3. In multiplication, we will start from 0. In division, we will start from 15. Okay. 15 and move how many units? 3 units until reach 0. Okay. Nee 15 la irundhu start panni how many units ah move panni kondu varanum? 3 units ah move panni edu vara varanum? 0 vandu namalukku varanum. So appo 15 la irundhu aarambikirom. Now you start from 15. 3 units move. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 3 units. Next 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 units. Then last 1, 2, 3. Next 3 units. Now we will reach at 0. Now you count. How many times? How many times are you moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's only answer. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Okay children? Okay. Now you see the second question. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. Okay. You draw the number line. Let's draw the line and mark the points. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now you see the question. 12 divided by 4. So we will start from 12. This is a division. So now start from 12. How many units? 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. We will reach at 0. Okay. So until how many times? Do this until you reach at 0. Okay. So 4 units. Again 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children. Now we will reach at 0. So therefore now you count the times. 1. This is a first time. Second time. Third time. So therefore your answer 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay children. Are you clear? So listen. Divide the following whole numbers using number line. The first question, 15 divided by 3. Okay. In multiplication, we will start from 0. But here in subtraction, we will start from 15. 15. Move 3 units. Okay. Move 3 units. Okay children. Until you reach at 0. We do these actions until reach at 0. So 3 units are move panni edu vara nama 0 varradhu vara nama kondu varanum. Okay children. Now you count the times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why our answer is 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Next to the second question. 12 divided by 4. Okay. Draw the line and mark the points. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Now you see the question, 12 divided by 4. So that's why we will start from 12. How many units want to move? 4 units. 4 units. Move 4 units at a time and do this until you reach at 0. Okay. So 12 la irundhu nama move pandrom. How many units are there? 4 units ah move pandrom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Again 4 units. Again 4 units. Okay. So now we do this until reach at 0. Okay. Now you count the number of times. 1, 2, 3. So therefore your answer is 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay children? Are you clear? Okay. Now you continue the classwork. Write down in the classwork note division of whole numbers. First question and second question. Continue. Any confusion is there? No. Write fast. I hope you have written. Now the third question. Three divided by 3. Okay. 3 divided by 3. Very easy question. Draw the line. You start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now 3 divided by 3. So we will start from 3. Okay. Now you move. How many units? 3 units. 3 units you move and do this until you reach at 0. Okay. So now 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Reach at 0. So therefore your answer is only one time only moved. Yes or no? So therefore your answer 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Okay children? Very easy. Yes? Write it. So third question. This is the second one. Okay. So this is the third question. And fourth one. Listen children. Fourth question, stop writing. Now you listen. 12 divided by 2. Okay. So using the number line, you draw the line. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now 12 divided by 2. So we will start from 12. Okay. Now we will start from 12. How many units? 2 units move. Yes or no? Yes. And do this until you reach at 0. Okay. 2 units are nama move panni enga varano 0 ku varano. Okay. So 2 units. 1, 2. Again next 2. 1, 2. 2 units. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. So now you moved. Yes or no? How many times are moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, your answer 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, children? Okay, now you continue the writing. Continue. Your homework is your homework is page number 17. All of you take your book, page number 17, question number 11. Question number 11. Page number 17, question number 11. In 11th question, first and second. And in 12th question, first and second. Mark the question. Marked? Okay. Now 13th question. In 13th one, first and second. Okay. Page number 17, question number 11, 12 and 13. Okay, children? Do in your homework note. That is very easy only. Okay. So, listen carefully. Addition means you step, that is move the steps backward. Okay. Suppose subtraction means move the steps back side. Okay. Addition means you move the units front and forward. Okay. And subtraction means you move the steps backward. And multiplication means suppose 3 into 2 means 3 unit. How many times, sir? 2 times we will move. Okay. Now this is a division means we will start from 3. How many times? 3 times. That is 3 units. You want to move 3 units. Do this until reach at 0. Okay, children? It's a very easy, different types, but very, very easy sums. Okay. So, practice all the sums in your home again and again. Do it carefully. Okay, children? Do yourself. Now, we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.